Welcome back to Stocklabs. We just finished up the month of October. I've got Halloween this weekend, and it's time, being month end, to check in on what the Stocklabs Quant did for the month. So you can see here, great month for the Fly's Quant, up over 12%. Brings year-to-date returns to 34%, which is a lot more than the overall market. I think S&P is up around, it's over 20%, maybe 22, 23% for year-to-date total return. And yeah, this is good. So what were the biggest winners for the month? Cloudflare up 75%. I don't know where that move came from. I saw it in the first week of the month start taking off, and I don't know, just seeing it continue the entire month was, um, pretty spectacular. So Quant had this one picked out. It was in there, on other really strong names: NVIDIA, INMD, DDOG, Crocs. Crocs has been sort of a pretty steady performer. I know it's been in this Quant other times this year. Netflix. Netflix is one of the FANG stocks that sort of, I don't know, it seems to do its own thing more often than not, but then it goes on these big runs like this. And, here it is, almost $700 a share, up 14% for the month. It's a good holding. Google, everyone's familiar. But yeah, so look at this. This is, every stock is up except for, so three losers: Caesars, Comstock, and Snap, which Snap was kind of doing okay for the month, and then just blew out on earnings towards the end of the month, and ended up with some really poor performance. So with that, without Snap, this portfolio would have been up probably another, 30% on. There's 20 stocks in here, so you're probably looking at maybe 13.5-ish%. Probably took 100 basis points out of portfolio performance for Snap being down that much. For the year, all-time high close for the portfolio on the last day of October. Finally sort of broke out of this choppy range that it's been in for a while. So you see, like, there was a lot of performance front-loaded in the first couple months of the year, and then a lot of sideways action. Now, it's back on the move higher. And this isn't only year-to-date highs, but basically all-time highs, obviously, from portfolio creation. And if we go to monthly returns, we had that bad month, or Fly had that bad month in this portfolio last month. Maybe a little bit inexplicably. The market was soft in September, but this really got hit. Took an outsized hit compared to the market, and then more than made it back this month. So back on the right track, and we're looking forward to getting the new Quant on Monday. These holdings will all change. Well, they might not all change, but they're, the majority of them will change. Some might stay in, if they continue to meet screener parameters. But for the most part, they'll all change. They'll all get rebalanced back to 5%. You could see, like, with appreciation in some of the stocks, they get sort of oversized in the portfolio. So everything swapped out back to 5% allocations, 20 stocks, and we'll get them on Monday. So good job to the Fly this month, and let's see it keep going in November and through year end.